I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and you are watching this week and next week you are watching couple of opportunities in mechanical engineering domain, especially related to thermal and fluid domain. So those of you who are BTech in mechanical, chemical, aerospace, etc., and they are doing their masters in computational fluid dynamics, I am also going to tell you some opportunities for direct PhD this week. Immediately after BTech, how you can avail direct PhD in US and all. Less opportunities come, but if you get those opportunities, it is going to be really good. So I am going to tell you that this particular week. So in Mississippi State University, you have PhD position in thermal and fluid, and it is total tuition waive off is there, monthly stipend is there. You have to drop mail to the professor, and once you get selected, then you can apply. So this is there. So closer date is not there. You have to drop mail to professor, and if he likes your credentials, maybe he will like to have a one-to-one interaction with you, and then on the basis of your CV, he will basically process forward. So now what is the requirement for this? Let me tell you. You are to be in thermal fluid energy group in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Center of Advanced Vehicular System at this university. So focus research areas: micro pore scale modeling for reactive materials, structures in thermochemical, electrochemical energy conversion storage system, multi-scale modeling of transport phenomena in thermofluid systems, fluidized bed and solar reactors. So if you have done some work in fluidized bed and solar reactors, you can go for it. High power devices systems, cooling of electronic devices, lithium ion batteries. So it is a very commonly research field in India also. So cooling of electronic devices and lithium ion batteries, it is related to heat transfer domain. So Lattice-Boltzmann method for fluid flow and heat transfer, heat and mass transfer. So if you have worked masters, if you have done masters in this area, and as per my knowledge, majority of students, when they are going to thermal fluid domain in IITs and all, they are working in this particular area. So lithium ion batteries domain or cooling of electronic devices. So if you worked in that area, and if you are good in certain domains, then you can apply in this particular case. Now what special thing is required? Let me go this side. So what is further requirement is this. Now this particular case is you can you should have a BS or MS degree in mechanical engineering. So this is true even for BTech students. So even if you are BTech, not MTech, BTech in aerospace or mechanical engineering, you can apply. You should be having specialization, more interest in thermal, material science engineering, etc., with outstanding academic record. So whenever they want BS, their BTech is called BS. So BTech to direct PhD, you need to have exceptionally good academic background, very good CGPA and research papers, etc. If you have strong background in fluid mechanics, heat transfer, programming experience, C++, etc. is required. Full financial support is provided with competitive stipend, etc. that is also given to you, and very good environment. So from BTech to masters, otherwise you need to spend money, because if financial support is not given in US, you need to spend approximately 30 lakh from your pocket. But if you are exceptionally good in BTech in this particular area, let's say you have done work very nicely, your CGPA is good, and your research work you have done little bit. So, and if you apply and get selected, financial support is given to you. So BTech to PhD directly you can go, and that is the advantage of that. So if you are interested, you are to mail the professor, and if professor likes your profile, he is going to get back to you. So you have to send your resume to the professor along with your details, and if he likes that, you have to write your projects and everything very meticulously, and if he likes about this profile, then you can get this particular PhD. So this is Mississippi State University. This is the opportunity for direct PhD, and the students, even BTech students, can apply for this. That is the opportunity. So I hope you understood the research area. So keep applying. If you apply more, and sometime it does not take any money for you to apply, because you have to only drop mail. So if that is the case, drop the mail so that you explore the opportunities. Keep watching This week and next week I am going to show you multiple opportunities in mechanical domain and computational fluid dynamics domain, aerospace areas, thermal fluid, that particular domains we are going to cover. So keep watching and keep exploring the options. Thank you.